Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then hit the subscribe button for more videos. For the ones who want additional services or training, you can WhatsApp our customer care team. 7892652481 is the number given below. For the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, we just learn. Okay, so we normally learn. So if you want to be part of this particular channel, so you can open your account in Zerodha, Upstock, or Angel Broking. So you'll be part of this secret Telegram channel. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic.
Hi sir, I am from Karnataka. First, congratulations for your third year anniversary for your channel, Smart Trader. I used since 2 months. It is very good to beginners, and I hope it still continue. Thank you.
So I'm doing this particular video especially for the beginners to understand before picking a stock. The picking of stock is there, right? The decision making. What should be the time frame to pick the stock? Okay, and many has this question. So how long it takes to pick a stock? Are we late because we're taking more time by checking all those things? And also, what is our thought process? Okay, so while picking a stock also we should have a thought process. Many people will teach you how to pick a stock, where to pick a stock, and all that, but we should also understand the thought process, because if you want to be independent, then you should do thinking. Okay, you can't do copy paste what others taught you. You should start doing some thinking. So that is what I'm trying to tell my audience. Now, before picking a stock, okay, now it is easy to say I saw one particular website. When we are beginner, we see one particular website and we just pick a stock. Okay, top gainer, I'm going to trade on him, buy or sell, done. But as and when you get experience, have you seen a change in you? You will check other parameters. You may check market, you may check RSI, indicators, or many other factors you check, right, before entering a stock. So it takes more time. So it is not bad to take more time in decision making of a stock, of picking of a stock. So I would say taking 10 minutes or 20 minutes before picking a stock is very important, because a person who picks a stock immediately will just see the stock name somewhere, he will try to bet on it with a feeling that it will go up. But if you are taking a stock and then checking where is market, where is the stock in the peak, overbought, oversold zone, where is RSI, where is MACD, what are the averages, what is the volume, are people really trading on it, is it a gap up or is it a gap down? You can actually fit in so many theories, right? So whatever we learn theories, we can apply that on this. So at least it's not that everything will be perfect. At least 5 to 10 logics you'll try to apply deciding the stock. Maybe 3 to 4 will fail, but rest logics will help you to succeed your target. So that is the thing. You need to add more criteria before choosing a stock. Why you choose a stock? Maybe he's a top gainer. Or his volume is good. People are trading more in him. The volume is good. Or he's going better. You know, he is among this particular sector in the banking or in automobiles. This is the stock in the top. There should be a lot of reasons before picking a stock. So what I would suggest is, don't just pick a stock and blindly put an order, buy or sell. Wait, watch. Why are you taking him? Don't go with feeling that okay, he will go. See what are the parameters helping you to decide that he should go, because you will have 1, 2, 3 stocks. You need to decide which one to take in that. And after taking him, observe him. How is he moving? Whether he's going sideways, whether he's in the peak, where is he? Observe the charts. Then take a decision that I should go with this stock now. Not that you saw the name and just buy the stock. For example, today I took 2 stocks. Okay. I took GAIL and India Bull Housing Finance in my radar in observation. So before taking into observation, there are so many stock in my mind and I picked 2 out of it. In 2, I just took a simple trade on GAIL. Okay. So I took a quick trade on GAIL. After observing both the charts, understanding all the parameters, even in Telegram, I sent to observe for my people. So it's not that as soon as I sent, I just picked the stock. No, I was observing the market. I was observing Nifty 50, how the chart is going, and all that gave me a decision making that okay, during this moment I feel GAIL is gonna move. Then I took a chance. Luckily both has moved, so that is good thing. But I'm just telling you, I decided GAIL at that particular point, which went. So that is what I actually want. So taking more time with lot of parameters, 10 minutes, 20 minutes to decide a stock, because after taking a stock, right, it's just pressure, it's going against me. Rather than that, spend time to pick a stock, rather than feeling that okay, it will go up. No feelings. Your parameters should give you a feeling that 5-6 parameters are saying this stock is better comparatively. At least 2-3 let it fail, other 2 will support you. Okay, so take some time before picking a stock. Don't just pick a stock for a reason of picking. Okay, so now what is the thought process behind this? The time I told you, take time. So thought process, like I told you, don't just focus on one website. You need to learn many strategies. In our channel only, there are so many strategies of ideas of picking stocks. Check all the areas of picking stocks, practice those, you will get an idea where to pick a stock. After picking that stock, see where the stock stands, see where the market stands, add more parameters, indicators if you learned indicators, or trend lines, or resistance, support. If you learned all these things, apply on it. And then you have to decide when I should enter in that stock. Okay, after picking, entry is not like take and just enter. See where is the right entry I have to take. So thinking should be in this before of taking a trade. Okay, so a lot of people after taking a trade, they will ask, what should I do? I took this particular stock, it's going against me. What should I do? Right? So that question I should ask you back, what did you do to pick a stock? Okay, so next time before taking a stock, if you're going to hit that buy button or sell button, ask yourself, why am I picking this stock? What is the reason you're picking? Is there any logical reason? Then you hit that button. If you feel that no, I didn't find any reason, but let me click it. No, don't do that. I know that it happens in the beginner stage, but this is the end result, what you will learn from your experience. So I'm just telling you now only, get this habit of thinking and getting more parameters. Take time before entering the market. Watch the market carefully. You'll get a signal that okay, now I feel it is going to go back or turn back. Take an advantage there and just exit. Don't wait too much, because intraday, it's not that I did so much of analysis, it should be going up. No, intraday is just luck. As per your prediction and as per the indicators and as per the history of candles, it is gonna move. I took my advantage, I'm exiting, I'm done for the day, take money and get out. Okay, if you're doing fundamental analysis, agree sentiments to the stock, you have observed the company has to grow and my stock has to go up, that can happen. Intraday is not like that. So before taking a stock, do the decision why you're taking him, because there are so many people who are going against him and you're going against them. So you need to have one level of thinking, why am I taking, and I should have more reasons to pick a stock. If you feel market is not moving, if you feel that people are not trading in this stock, don't ever do it. Okay, so don't pick a stock within a second or within a minute and say I picked the stock, I just entered, after me taking it reversed. You need to decide why you took the stock and all those factors. And one important thinking is, every day is a new day. If yesterday is a profit, I'm sure today you will be like, okay, today I'm gonna break the market, I'm gonna make profit. No, today is a new day. Whether it is loss or profit, today is a new day. You're gonna tend to make mistakes today. So as a beginner, you can write down the mistake which I had done. I learned from my experience, so I did that and I overcome. Now I have it in my mind, my mistakes. So every day I think, okay, I'm gonna make a mistake, so I should not do that mistake today. And today I should be very safe. And when I get my money, I am done. Okay, till then everybody will have that small tension in them. It is good to have that small tension, or else you will take it very easily. Okay, so write down your mistake as a beginner, read it out every day, so that you don't do that mistake and say, okay, I made the mistake again and again, right? So most of the mistakes will happen because of that. So every day read your mistakes, so that when you hit that buy button or sell button, you will realize that I should not do it again. Let's not make a mistake right now. So this is the thought process in a basic way. I'm just telling you, this is the thought process we should have, and take more time. When you take more time, when 10 minutes pass, 20 minutes pass, you will feel that you're confident, you will start picking a stock. If a confidence level goes down, wait, just observe for the day, just bet and see in paper. If I would have taken, what would have happened? And then you will get a confidence if it happens. If it goes down, you'll be still happy. So give that time before deciding your stock and hitting that enter button. Take 10 to 20 minutes, observe the market, because when you open the app, the market will be somewhere green, going. As soon as you take it, may turn. So wait and see where the levels are, how things are going, and then react to the market. So anyways, this is what I wanted to share with all the beginners. The time required, take more time in deciding a stock, and then the thought process we should have before picking a stock. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.